Grandma Lori, Michael Myers is coming. We need to go.
We're safe here, all right? I've rigged this house to be ready for this day. The permits were a bitch.
Hey, turkey butts! I'm all home alone in here, so if you want me, you better come and get me. I wouldn't come down the hall if I were you. You better not follow me up these stairs. Heads up!